Hello, in this video I want to show you how to download RAR and zip packing or unpacking app on your HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro. And to do this we'll need to open up our app gallery and right here try to find the app called RAR. It's RAR. Now hit the search button, select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open this app, give it all file access, so locate RAR and here allow access to manage all files. Now if we go back and reopen the app, it should be running. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.